Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss most important cue card. May to August. Let's start. Describe a public facility that has been renovated and improved. You should say what the facility is, when it was renovated and improved, what has been renovated and improved. Explain how you feel about it. Let's start. The public facility I'd like to talk about is our local bus station, which underwent significant revolution and improvement from the beginning of the 2020 and was completed in earlier 2022. This bus station has always been a crucial part of our community, serving as a primary means of this transport for the resident and visitor alike. However, before the revolution, it was a cute, outdated, and not every user friendly. The revolution covered several key areas to enhance overall functionality and aesthetic of the bus station. The sitting area were expanded and modernized, providing more comfort for the passenger waiting for their buses. Digital display were installed, offering real-time information about the bus schedule, delay, and routes, making it easier for the commuter to plan their journey. Additionally, safety and accessibility were also major focus of the revolution. New lighting was installed to improve visibility at night, and security cameras were added for increased safety. The station was made for the accessible with the introduction of the ramps and the title path for those with mobility issue and invisible impairment. I feel extremely positive about this improvement. The renovated bus station has greatly enhanced the daily commute for many people, including myself. It's not only more efficient and comfortable but also safer, more accessible to everyone in the community. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.